Ay, tropang siya nga. Nagaulan karon so ah and then usually this is my uh I like it when it's raining. You know, again, as I was saying, I like it when it's raining. When I have this outdoor adventure because it's not hot and uh, not much dust, and it seems for me that it's enjoyable when it's raining because wala kayo tao sa wala kayo tao wala kayo tao, and so kala ko lang wala pero meron. Even in the urban areas, highly kanang um, even in the urban areas, when it's raining, usually the streets become a little bit relaxed and quiet from the usual busy routines of the street. So the other reason is that also the temperature, the is it climate or whether no, it's the temperature. It's not usually hot, and kanang mga kanang the cold na splash sa water in the skin and in fun is also kanang somehow refreshing po siya pag aulan. And the idea that there are raindrops like like splashing in your hair, and then some of them will drip through the strands of your hair to the face. Kanang idea, it's like really kanang murag like in the movies also, but at the same time you realize that gaapod diay siya makakuan pud siya, makapa-char pud siya, makapailad-ilad pud sa self. Nga ayos pud diay siya sa true to life. So and in the movies naalang siya drama effect, it's a good visual, but diri kay murag siya ikaw ra gyud naka-feel kay wala may nagkuan. Ikaw naman nagladilad sa imong self. So kana siya. uh, uh, the only concern that I have right now is that because we are uh, going to the waterfalls, basin magka like in the news, basin magkakalit na maka-flash flood. So that's one of the real concern as of the moment. So second is ang cellular phone. I was not ready for the ulan. I mean the phone was not ready for the ulan. Ako I am beach ready. Ako lang ang beach ready. Pero ang cellular phone wala siya na andaman. Wala siya na appeal. So there, and also my bag, it's okay kung makuha ng bag. Ang important lang man na items that should be kept dry all the time are this cellular phone and the wallet. So wala ang pud koy wala mo koy kayamanan, so wala ra. Oh, there's a shadow effect. Moist. Murag nag-moist inside. That's because this is the camera and then there's plastic cellophane yang narap around the cell phone. So sige lang, agwanta Earths.